Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bundll application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, download the Bundll application on your mobile device. If you've not downloaded it yet, go and tap open your Play Store or your App Store and get it downloaded first. Once you've got the app, give it a tap to open. You'll end up in this first interface where you can see the login button at the bottom. Give it a tap and enter your email address associated with your Bundll account in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. Make sure that you are typing in the password correct. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, tap on Forgot your password button at the bottom of the page. After you are done typing in your password, tap on the circle right beneath the password box. Tap on Accept Disclosure in order to accept to the terms and conditions of Bundll. Soon after you do that, tap on the login button that is activated at the bottom and you'll be able to log into your Bundll account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.